Hello everybody! Here I will show you how to create a form with Jotform. In this video, we are going to dive into the world of Jotform, a fantastic tool that can truly transform how you collect and manage information. Whether you're organizing an event, conducting a detailed survey, or simply gathering feedback from your clients or team, Jotform provides a platform that is both user-friendly and highly effective. It's designed to make your life easier by allowing you to create and share forms seamlessly. So, let's get started. The first step on our journey is to open up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Jotform into the search bar. You'll want to look for the link that leads directly to the official Jotform website. It should be right at the top of the search results. Click on it, and you'll be whisked away to Jotform's homepage. Now, when you arrive at the homepage, you'll see several options available. If you're a returning user with an existing account, you'll want to log in by entering your email and password. However, if you're new to Jotform, don't worry at all. Signing up is a breeze. Just follow the straightforward prompts. Typically, this requires you to provide a valid email address and create a new password. Once you've completed these steps, you'll gain full access to all of Jotform's capabilities. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. You'll see an option to create a form. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a choice. You can either start from scratch or use one of the many pre-made form templates that Jotform offers. These templates can be real lifesavers if you're looking for something quick and easy. Jotform hosts a vast library of templates tailored for different needs, such as reservations, registrations, and feedback collection. However, if you have a specific design in mind and want to create something unique, starting from scratch is a fantastic choice. This is where you can truly customize your form and make it your own. Jotform's interface is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop elements into your form effortlessly. Want to add a new question? Simply click and drag it to the desired location. Need a drop-down menu or a text box? You'll find these options readily available and easy to incorporate. Take your time here to tweak the form's look to match your brand or personal style. You can adjust colors, fonts, and backgrounds to ensure that the form aligns perfectly with your vision. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks, it's time to share it with the world. Navigate over to the Publish tab. This is where Jotform provides you with a public link to your newly created form. This link is key, as it's what you'll use to distribute your form to potential respondents. You can send it via email, post it on social media, or even embed it directly into your website. And just like that, your form is ready to go. You've successfully learned how to create a form using Jotform, equipping yourself with a powerful tool to gather data efficiently and present it in a way that's both appealing and professional. As you continue to use Jotform, you'll discover even more advanced features that can make your forms even more dynamic and engaging. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to create a form with Jotform. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.